Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl EllaLoves Beauty. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome back as well. So in today's video, you guys, it is going to be an unboxing video. Like, I got a lot of goodies from TIJN Eyewear and Miraga as well. You guys, I got a lot of goodies, you guys, so stay tuned and let's get right into the unboxing. All right,
when you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise.
So the first item I'm going to be reviewing for you guys is the Miranda contact lenses. Like, you guys, I am not really a fan of contact lenses, though I love it when someone have them on, but I have always been scared to try them out. Like, you guys, if you try out contact lenses for the very first time, you should know what I'm talking about. So this is the Miranda contact lenses, you guys. As you can see, I have one on. Like, this is my very first time of applying contact lenses, and I feel like it is so beautiful, you guys. I don't know if you can see how that looks like. So they sent me two contact lenses. The pack came like this, and when you open it, you have 4 packs. Like, each pack like this contain 1 contact lenses. So 2 like this contain the 2 side contact lenses, and it also came with 2 contact lenses storage. And yeah, just as you can see right on the screen, so I got the Evenfall Brown and the Dayspring Peach. The one I'm having on is the Dayspring Peach, you guys. So I am so loving this. In as much that it is my first time to apply contact lenses, you guys, these are so comfortable. So the maximum storage of these contact lenses is 6 months. Like, you can use these contact lenses for 6 months, and after that you can change it. That is pretty cool, you guys. I love it. And yeah, so yeah, let me show you a clip of the video on how I was able to apply this. All right, when you open up your contact lenses, you actually have this guide notes on how you can apply your contact lenses as a beginner, actually. So I read this and I watched some few videos that guide me through this entire process, you guys. All right, so moving on, I have this TIJN Eyewear. Here is written "Life is Art," and on this other side, we use minimalist and eco-friendly packaging for the good of our planet. Oh, so when you open it, it shows their Instagram handles. And yeah, you guys, I am going to be leaving all the details you need to know about this company, the eyewear, the contact lenses, everything you need to know down on the description below. So definitely make sure you check them out. So when you open this up, it does have a little note, chapter 6. When the wind are breathing low and the stars are shining bright. Okay, show your inspiration in daily life with TIJN Eyewear. So this contains 2 eyewears, like 2 glasses, and it also comes with 2 glasses cleaner, like the wipes you can use to clean your glasses. That is so amazing. Can you see this packaging? Like, oh my goodness, these are so cute. Can you see this packaging? Like, it looks so expensive, you guys. Though this quality, like the quality of this eyewear are not cheap. The quality is amazing. So the first one we have right here is this one right here. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is so beautiful. I forgot the name, so I'm gonna be searching for the name on the website, and I will just put it on the screen for you guys to see. This is so beautiful. So when I put it on, this is how it look like. God, you know, this is kind of giving me that rich anti-verbs right now. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm loving this already. This is the first time I'm unboxing this package, and I'm so loving this, and I'm sure this is gonna be my favorite, you guys. This is so cute. So I feel like someone needs to take some pictures right now. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. It's beautiful. It is beautiful, and the quality is A1, you guys. So moving on to the second shade, we have this one right here. Can you see? I'm trying to make sure my ring light is not showing right on the shade. So at the side we have this gold shade, and the rest of it is transparent. Oh my goodness. Can you see this? Look at that. So you guys, let me know your favorite from these glasses, you guys. I really want to know your favorite. Like, I really want to know your favorite. So this is how this one looks like. It is so super cute. I think like it suits the color of my hair. It is so cute, you guys. So the second packaging, this is how it looks like. So what do we have here? So the first item I have here is the Orange by TIJN Reliable Screen Glasses. These are also glasses. I thought I only have 2 glasses, you guys. Oh my god. These are also glasses. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. So this one just basically contains my address, informations, and stuff like that. So I'm dropping this right here. This one is it's written protect your eyes from harmful blue light. Like, I think I'm gonna be needing this more. Like, you know, as a YouTuber, we film, we edit, we do all those stuff by ourselves, and I've really been looking for screen glasses that I can wear wherever I'm editing my videos, and this TIJN got me covered, you guys. You should try them out. Check them out, you guys. So this contains a pair of glasses and also one glass cleaner. It's a cleaner, wipes. So let's open this up and see what we got. Can you see this? So I'm gonna put it on and show you guys how it looks. This is cute. Like, it kind of look like an everyday glass, but it is so beautiful. It is so cute, and all these glasses, you guys, the quality are just so amazing. Like, I'm a glasses lover, and when I see a good and quality glasses, I know them. Like this one, I have nothing to say, absolutely nothing to say. They are so cute. So this is the fourth one, and I have a card right here, and this says, congratulations, you've won the prize. Open the link below to get your prize. Orange by TIJN. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So I'm gonna open this up and show you as well how it looks like. It is still a screen glasses, you guys. So this is how this one looks like. It's kind of small and it is beautiful. So you need all these glasses, you guys. You see, you need these glasses in your life. Absolutely. So moving on to the fourth packaging. This is huge. This is huge. This is huge, you guys. So moving on, this is the fourth packaging, and it is the biggest package that I got. So I'm just gonna open it up for you guys to see. Here it does have towards the part you've never trod. Follow us on Instagram, @walkon.TIJN. They sent me a pair of shoes, you guys. Oh my god, I am so super excited. And this contains 2 jewelry boxes and a pair of shoes. How cute, how cute, how cute. Can you see this? Can you see these shoes? So the name of this shoe actually is Alayna. Oh my goodness. And it is not too high. It is not too high. It is very, I've put this on, you guys. So I'm gonna be leaving a picture on the screen for you guys to see. It is not too high. It is very comfortable. I wear size 10, size 10, yes, US size 10, and yeah, this is size 10, you guys, and it is so very comfortable. And yeah, and the color is jungle green. I've never had any shoes like this before, so I'm super excited to get this, to add this to my collection. This is so cute. So you guys, moving on, I got these 2 pairs of jewelry both from TIJN as well. So you guys, let's just go ahead and open it up. So this is the first one. This is how it looks like on the inside. Here I have a thank you card, and this contains some few words of thanks and their Instagram handles as well. So yeah, you guys, this is how this one looks like. Can you see? This is a jewelry set, you guys. It's come in with a necklace and earrings. Like, can you see how beautiful this looks? So I'm actually going to be putting it on and showing you guys how it looks like. So the second one we have here, another jewelry box. Open it up. Here contains a card, and oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is how this one looks like on the inside. This is cute. So when I told you guys earlier that I got a lot of goodies, you guys thought I was joking, right? These are so huge, and they are so beautiful, you guys. So everything I'll share with you guys is going to be down on the description. So here, let me just put this on. So this is just a necklace. The other set came in with 2 little earrings, and how cute, this is cute, you guys. This is how this other one looks like. It has this little flower at the top of this pendant. So yes, let me put. Can you see that? How beautiful cute earrings. These are cute, and here's the necklace. Cute. This is beautiful. I love everything I got. I love everything I got. So lovely. This is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, you guys, give it a huge thumbs up. All the details about everything that I unboxed right here are down on the description, so just click on the description and check them out. And I'm still having my contact lenses on, and I'm so loving it. First time actually. So yeah, this is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, share, and don't forget to check out Miraga and TIJN on Instagram. Give them a follow, check out their website, and I promise you guys, you will not regret it. All right, till next time, I will see you all. Always stay beautiful, and bye for now. I love you guys. Bye.